What's going on, everybody? It is Friday. It's Friday. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Corey Scott. For all you who don't know me, if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. I'm going to show you what I do for the weekend. So we're going to do some shopping. I got some computer stuff to do. Got some little bit of business to take care of. I'm going to take you guys with me. So this weekend. So let's get things cracking, get things going, and I'm going to show you guys what I do. Kind of dark right here. All right. Headed to another place. Went to the Southmore, Hollywood Furniture. So yeah. What's going on, everyone? Happy Saturday. Decided to take you guys with me on my runs. I have some running around to do today. So it's been cold here and snowing in North Carolina. So hopefully the weather gets better, the sun is out. I also am going to Restoration Hardware. I'm trying to figure out what the hype is all about, but yes, those are my things going to be for today, and then may get some shopping in. Who knows? You know, the day's early, so stay tuned. All right, so show you a little bit of work that I'm doing. So here, as you can see, where network wires have come in. Picture. I'm going to clean all that up. I actually ran. See these blue wires up here? I've actually ran all these wires up through the ceiling, all the way down. So I'm not gonna, you know, it is an office building and they're not here, so I'm not gonna show you guys inside of the room, so there might be some information in there. All right, guys, so I'm actually started disconnecting some of the cables, some of the wires, so how this looks. Have to clean all this up. So I'm gonna rewire this whole network and actually to make it look pretty. So stay tuned. Alright everyone, I just dropped off a laptop computer, so I'm on my way to drop off another computer. I didn't bring you guys with me inside because, you know, I don't want my customers to think that I'm trying to videotape them, or, you know, getting used to the vlogging thing. But I want you guys to kind of see what my weekends typically look like. Now, I'm not running around like I am today. I dropped the laptop off. I have another one to drop off, and I'm running a little late. You know, my time management skills, I'm getting better. I'm getting better. I'm working on it. So, why is it that whenever you're running late, it seems like people want to drive slow? Like they ain't got nowhere else to be. I got somewhere to be, people. I don't need to get more. But in any case, so I'm headed to my second destination, which is not too far away. And then after that, then to be us guys, we can go do some more furniture shopping and seeing what else we can find. But you know, we gotta take care of the business side first, so we can afford some furniture. So alright, so let me focus on traffic and trying to get where I need to be, and I will get back with you guys. Alright guys, I'm back. Just did my running around. I want to put you guys on this side so you can get this angle, you know, get both angles, you know. But you know, it's a little cloudy day, it's a little cold, as you can see. Got my jacket on. Normally I have on a t-shirt or something, but just running around. Now that I finished the business side, dropping off some computers, making some customers real happy, now we get to actually go and look for some furniture and go ahead and see what else we can do on this Saturday. I just made it. I finally found Restoration Hardware. So I'm trying to get some light. Yeah, so I finally found the place. Let me see what it is all about. my experience, Restoration Hardware, it's pretty good. Pretty dope store. I see why everybody goes to it. Well, yeah, it's pretty nice. Alright, today it's gonna be a nice, chill, relaxing Sunday. I have 2 laptop computers to work on, changing out the hard drive, doing some other things with those. Gonna cook me something to eat. I also have some paperwork to do for the house, doing some more financing as it's coming closer to my closing date. They want to get paycheck stubs, bank account information, and check my credit again. So we're in the final stretch. So things are, coming together. So I need to finalize that, and that'll be about it. So nice, relaxing day. Usually I am doing a lot of run around. You see all the running around I did the other day. So we're gonna just see what Sunday brings. So I'm gonna actually cook me some breakfast. I kind of did the prep work. I didn't think I was gonna show you guys, but I was like, you know what? Why not? Why not show you guys what I got going on? Okay, so actually gonna cook me some French toast. Alright guys, today was a nice relaxing Sunday. Was able to get some things accomplished. As you can see, I've moved from one side of the couch to the other side of the couch. I did manage to work on a laptop computer. This is an older computer. See how thick that thing is? I was able to breathe new life into it, change some things out. So I didn't know if you guys wanted to see that or not. I was gonna film it. I thought about it once I was done. So I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry. I'm getting used to this vlogging thing. As I said earlier, but I'm bringing you guys around. If you do want to see more of those videos, you want to see more of my daily routines or my runarounds that I do, just let me know. Leave me a comment. Leave me a message. Let me know what you guys want to see. I'm out here just trying to document my life and want to keep you guys entertained. So thank you for staying this long in the video, and I look forward to seeing you in my next one.